Okay, ito na. Okay, ano yan? Touch the red. Touch the green. Then touch the blue. Don't. Ulit. Okay. Ha? Naman sila naghawak ng pass na color. So, ano yan? Okay. Touch the blue. Touch the green. Don't touch the red. Don't touch the pink. Don't touch the yellow. Don't touch the red. Touch the green. Touch the blue. Touch the pink. Don't touch the green. Don't touch the blue. Don't touch the green. Touch the green. Touch